Imagine a laptop that outperforms expectations with its powerhouse processor. This isn't just a figment of the imagination, it's the reality of the AceMagic AX16PRO laptop computer. Nestled within its sleek frame, you'll find an AMD Ryzen 7 5700U processor. This isn't your average processor, oh no, it's a beast of a machine with 8 cores and 16 threads. It's like having a small army of computer geniuses working tirelessly to handle your computing needs. The base frequency of this powerhouse is 1.8 GHz, but don't let that fool you. When you need some extra grunt, it can turbo boost up to a whopping 4.3 GHz. That's like going from a casual jog to a full-on sprint in the blink of an eye. It's this nimble versatility that makes the Ryzen 7 5700U such a formidable contender in the processor world. And let's not forget about the 8 MB/L3 cache. This is the secret ingredient that makes multitasking a breeze. It's like having a super efficient personal assistant who always knows exactly what you need when you need it. But what really sets this processor apart is the 7nm technology. This technological marvel delivers high performance and energy efficiency in one sleek package. The advantage of this technology is particularly potent in terms of single and multi-threaded performance. It's like having a finely tuned sports car at your fingertips, ready to roar into action at a moment's notice. And for those of you who like to lose yourselves in the immersive world of gaming, the AMD Radeon graphics will keep you captivated. This is more than just a laptop. It's a gateway to new adventures, new worlds, and new experiences. With this laptop, multitasking becomes a breeze, and the immersive gaming world is just a click away. So why wait? Dive in and discover what the AceMagic AX16PRO laptop computer has to offer. You won't be disappointed. Storage space will never be a concern with this laptop's extensive memory capacity. Now let's dive into what this really means. To start with, this laptop comes equipped with a whopping 16 gigabytes of DDR4 memory. What this means for you is that your commands will be responded to faster than ever. Whether you're an avid gamer, a professional video editor, or just someone who likes to multitask, this laptop is designed to keep up with your pace and deliver a smooth, lag-free experience. But that's not all. The laptop also boasts a built-in 512GB M2 NVMe SSD. For those unfamiliar with the technical jargon, let's simplify it. This essentially means that the laptop has an incredibly fast storage drive that can read and write data at a much higher speed than a traditional hard drive. And what does this mean for you? Well, in a nutshell, it means that your system will boot up faster, your applications will load quicker, and you'll be able to access and transfer your files in the blink of an eye. And here's the cherry on top. If you're someone who works with a lot of heavy files or just likes to have a lot of storage space, this laptop has got you covered. It offers the option to upgrade the memory support to a massive 64 gigabytes and the SSD to a staggering 2 terabytes. That's enough space to store hundreds of high-quality movies or millions of documents. In a world where time is of the essence, we can't afford to sit around waiting for our laptops to load. And with this laptop, you won't have to. It's designed to offer a smooth, seamless computing experience irrespective of the task at hand. Say goodbye to slow startup times and hello to a laptop that responds to your commands faster than ever. With its extensive memory storage, this laptop isn't just a device, it's a game changer. It's time to step into the future of computing where speed, efficiency, and performance are the new norms. This laptop doesn't just perform well, it also has all the essential features you need. Let's dive into the heart of this device, the display. A laptop's screen is its window to the world, and with this laptop, that window is expansive and clear. The 16.1-inch thin bezel display is innovative in its design, providing more on-screen space for an immersive full high-definition viewing experience. Whether you're working on a complex project or enjoying your favorite movie, the vibrant display brings your content to life in vivid detail. But a great laptop isn't just about what's on the screen, it's also about the tools you have to interact with your digital world. That's where the variety of ports comes into play. This laptop is equipped with a wealth of connectivity options, including an HDMI port, a USB Type-C port with full function, 2 USB 3.2 ports, and a USB 2.0 port. Whether you're connecting external monitors, hard drives, or other peripherals, this laptop has got you covered. And let's not forget about the TF card socket and the Type-C DC jack. Whether you're transferring photos from your camera or charging your device, these features make it easy to do what you need to do. The cherry on top? A backlit keyboard with a numeric keypad. This isn't just about looking cool, although it certainly does that. The backlit keyboard allows you to work comfortably in low-light conditions. And for those who work with numbers, the numeric keypad is a game changer. It provides you with a full range of control comfort, making data entry and calculations a breeze. In short, this laptop is more than just a powerhouse performer. It's a well-rounded device that provides all the essential features you need in today's digital world. It's designed with you in mind, offering a seamless blend of performance, functionality, and comfort. With this laptop, you have control at your fingertips and a vibrant display that brings your content to life. Connect to the world seamlessly with this laptop's high-speed internet connectivity. In the digital age, being connected is not just essential, it's the norm. This laptop ensures you keep up with that norm and does so at breakneck speed. Thanks to its 802.11ax Wi-Fi 6 capability, you can surf the internet, stream videos, and download files faster than ever before, but it doesn't stop there. Its high-speed connectivity also means fewer network delays or outages, making your online experience as seamless as possible. Now let's talk about Bluetooth. We all know how essential it is in today's wireless world. This laptop boasts Bluetooth 5.2 technology, the latest and most advanced version of Bluetooth to date. It doesn't just connect your devices quickly, it ensures a stable and strong connection, making sure your Bluetooth-enabled devices work at their best whenever you need them. Whether you're connecting to a wireless speaker for your favorite tunes, syncing with your smartwatch, or sharing files with a friend, this laptop's Bluetooth 5.2 technology has got you covered. It's all about making your digital life easier and more connected. With this laptop, internet surfing becomes an instant and smooth experience. So whether you're working on a critical project, streaming your favorite show, or battling it out in an online game, this laptop ensures that you're always connected, always in the loop, and always one step ahead. This laptop doesn't just deliver on performance, it's also built to last. Imagine a device that can withstand the pressures of daily use. Whether you're a gamer needing to stay in the action, a student handling multiple tasks, or a professional on the move. The AceMagic AX16PRO is designed with a durable metal shell, capable of resisting pressure and impact. This is not just a laptop, it's a reliable companion that's built to endure. But the durability doesn't stop at the exterior. This laptop also features a 53 Wh-long battery life. That's right, you heard it correctly, 53 watt-hours. This means you can work, play, binge watch, or browse for hours on end without having to worry about carrying a power adapter around. Whether you're in a coffee shop, on a long flight, or just lounging in your backyard, the AceMagic AX16PRO keeps you powered up and ready to go. And while we're talking about flexibility, let's not forget the laptop's slim and lightweight design. It's easy to carry, easy to use, and easy to love. This laptop is not just about getting the job done, it's about getting the job done wherever you are, without having to compromise on performance or battery life. With this laptop, you can work and play anywhere with the assurance of durability and long battery life.